Good morning and thanks for watching this video from Dubbers Sports in Huddersfield. So today we're showing you a lovely Toyota Verso S. So this is just coming to stock with us. As you probably know if you've looked on our website or watched any of our other videos, we normally deal in VW, Audi seat Skodas and Porsches. We've taken this car in, and once upon a time we would have put it in the auction, but when we've looked around it, there can't be many one owner from new Verso S's. There's not many Verso S's around anyway, to be honest, and this one has covered 37,224 miles. So it's got both sets of keys, it's HPI clear, it's been looked after by a local garage. It was MOT'd last month, and on the MOT they advised that the tyres were cracking due to the age, so it's just had 4 brand new tyres fitted by us, and we've just done a full service on it as well. So that's a major service: oil, air, spark plugs. It's very, very well presented, especially with it the age it's been and been owned by an elderly owner. They normally have quite a few marks on them. You may be able to see a parking dent on the driver's door and passenger door. We've actually got a dent man come in, a paintless dent man will take them out. So if you do decide to view, they won't be there. It's also a really nice spec on this. It's got the factory reverse camera, it's just got a bit of polish on it there. It's got privacy glass. You can music stream from your phone, it's got Bluetooth. So it's got the false floor, and this can raise up if you want to change it. The seats just fold down just by pressing one lever there, so it makes it perfect if you're throwing the dogs in or doing a tip run. It's also got the full glass roof, which is fixed, it doesn't open, so you've got no worries about leaks or anything. Makes the inside look a lot more spacious. And then you've also got an electric blind that goes on if it's a hot day and you want to keep it cool. It's got genuine Toyota mats on it. Multifunction steering wheel, electric windows, electric mirrors, auto. And you've got the paddles as well on the steering wheel if you want to change gear yourself. It was £30 a year road tax, but there's just been another budget increase, so the road tax now is a whopping £35 for 12 months. And there we go. There'll be more details on the website. If you've got any questions, if you'd like to arrange a test drive, arrange a viewing, then just give us a call or drop us an email. Thanks very much for watching.